Hi TS, it's Meg. I wanted to show you your academic assignments and where you can find them. You've already completed several for this course, so it's the same spot they've been in the past couple weeks. So you're going to go into your modules. And then we are in week 3 this week, so you're going to scroll down to week 3. You'll see right here it says week 3 academic assignment, 1 required. So here is your academic assignment for this week. It's 23.5 hours. That's the assignment. You're going to click on that. There is a video for you to watch. It says please watch this video below. And then it's what's the single best thing we can do for our health. After watching the video, you'll answer the quiz. So you're going to watch this video, I think it's, I don't know, around maybe 10-15 minutes, and then you will hit take the quiz button. It will take you to the quiz and you'll answer questions about what you saw on the video. Okay, so that's your required academic assignment. It is due by this Sunday at 11:59 p.m. If you go back to your modules, the week number 4 module will open on Monday, and you have a spiritual wellness. That's your required activity again. So required academic assignments are listed under the academic assignment within your week module. If you have any questions, let me know. Hope that helps.